Welcome to 1984.
So then the scammer asks the guy to send $25 million to his account.
And our company's policy frameworks and technical tools stopped it, right?
No, they didn't, because the entire board of directors of a company in Hong Kong was deepfaked, and they call this guy in the middle of the night and ask him to transfer $25 million. And the guy does it because not only did they hijack their video conferencing accounts, I believe it was Zoom, they also deepfaked the actual video and voice of the board of directors. So think about it. You get a call in the middle of the night saying, hey, we're doing a merger and an acquisition that we told nobody about, or hey, we need to pay a fine that's coming in from a court case that we'd hidden. You're probably going to transfer that money. So $25 million out the door.